Alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine. We will start with our maths lecture. Start the recognition with me. RECOGNITION. Recognition. 51, 51. After 51, which number will come? 52. 52, 52. 53, 53. 54, 54. And you tell me which number is this? 61, 61, 61. This which number is this? 65, 65. And which number is this? 70, 70. After 71, 70, which number will come? 71, 71. 72, 72. 73, 73. 74, 74. 75, 75. 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80, 80. Shapes. Read with me the spell of shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Tell me which shape is this? Circles. Here is circle is smiling. This shape is the circle shape. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Read with me. All of you. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Which shape is this? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Sing with me the shape song. Square and circle. Square and circle. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle and oval. Rectangle and oval. Heart and times. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. First you will write date and day. D-A-T-E. Day. D-A-Y. Day. Here is a sun picture. I drawn here some pictures. Look here. It's a sun. Which picture is this? It's a watermelon. And which picture is this? It's a window. Now you tell me what's the color of sun? Sun